GWCC 2000 Automatic Wire Mesh Welding Line. Built by Ningbo Xinzhou Welding Equipment Company. Limited. The GWCC 2000 is a fully automated solution for high-volume wire mesh production. Designed for industries such as construction, precast concrete, and fencing, this line delivers exceptional performance through precision, speed, and integration. With a welding width of 2,000 mm and a maximum mesh length of 6 meters, it processes galvanized or black wire with diameters ranging from 4 to 8 mm. The system completes 25 weld points per stroke, running at 60 to 80 cycles per minute, ensuring high throughput without compromising accuracy. Cross-wire spacing is adjustable between 20 to 200 mm, while line wires follow a 50 mm modular pitch, offering full flexibility for diverse mesh designs. The line wire system includes 25 vertical decoilers and a centralized straightening unit that handles all wires at once, no roller change needed when switching diameters. For cross wires, a magnetic electric drum ensures smooth, continuous feeding, with sensor-based control for real-time material replenishment. At the core is the independent welding unit, powered by single-action booster cylinders, delivering stable current with minimal spatter. Mesh pulling is handled by a CNC servo system with a 3-meter stroke and 7-level precision rack drive, maintaining grid accuracy at high speeds. After welding, the mesh is cut automatically, up to 100 cuts per minute, with optimized spacing that reduces waste between sheets. Finally, the mesh is flipped and stacked by an automated unit capable of lifting 100 kilograms per cycle and stacking up to 500 millimeters high, streamlining the entire workflow from wire coil to finished bundle. The GWCC 2000 isn't just a machine, it's a complete, intelligent mesh production line built to elevate your capacity, precision, and efficiency.